So if you're ever looking for that crazy view, third-person view, you know, it's like you're playing a video game view, Forza, Need for Speed, this is the setup that you need. So basically, I like rocking a 3 suction cup mount. This is probably the best and by far that I've tested at very fast speeds. The second part is you want some sort of stick. I like using this one. And like I said, all the links will be in the description, you guys. The third part that you need is some sort of an adapter here. This is the one I use, and like I said, the links are in the description. But so what you want is everything in line with the GoPro. Basically, when the 2 lenses on both sides stitch together, the stick and everything in line disappears. Unfortunately, I've been testing it out on the trunk right here, but I mainly use it on the glass because it's dark and black, and this is black. So it blends in very well, and it's like you don't even notice it. So second part is the camera. I like using GoPro Max. People like using Insta 360. That's cool. They both get the job done. I'm just a GoPro guy. The suction cup probably run you about $100. Sometimes you can find deals. I've seen them as low as $45 on Amazon. Just keep checking on them. The GoPro stick. It varies. Depends what you want to use. This is what I found that's been sturdy. I don't know if it's real carbon fiber, honestly, but it gets the job done. And then, so this is probably like $20. It sticks about $20, and then this adapter here is about $10. You want the GoPro. It doesn't really matter how you position it. You just want it to be in line with the stick. I see a couple people putting the GoPros like that. No, you can't do that. You'll see the stick. This kind of defeats the whole purpose of a GoPro Max or a 360 camera. If you rock your GoPros like this, it defeats the whole purpose of this. So this is incorrect. So I've just been recently testing out this setup, mounting on the trunk, like I said, and then having it horizontal to an extent. I used to have it vertical up and down, but I don't know. We're just trying different angles and see what I like. As far as height goes, I like having the GoPro or your 360 camera about the height of the roof. So it should be about the same height as the roof. And then you want it probably about a foot or 2 behind the actual trunk. So this is why, again, I'm testing it. And most of my videos I've been shooting, I've been having on the glass and extending out this far, and it turns out pretty well. So, you know, some people like having the camera higher, lower. It's just going to be personal preference, you guys. I can't tell you what's going to work or what you'll like. This is just what I run, and I'm going to show you guys some examples of where it sits right now, what I've been running on the glass. I did do an example of like the GoPro running way down here, and that's okay too. It's just you'll be seeing the camera like this, which I don't know about you guys. It's not really ideal. You know, we want to see some stuff like up here, you know. So it'll be kind of like this. I really appreciated everyone that's been buying this setup through me. Thank you so much. It means so much to me as I've been running this and trying this for 2 years. And my gosh, this is still the original mount. We've done some crazy stuff within, like I said, thank you so much to everyone's been running this setup, buying it through my links. And hey, man, it's so dope to see everyone rocking this on TikTok and YouTube now. I like to say I started it because that's what my TikTok was based around, and now everyone's doing it. So I want to see everyone rocking this setup, you guys. It means so much to me, and I highly recommend a 3 suction cup mount. It's expensive. It's worth it. This is not plastic. It's some sort of aluminum, so very sturdy. So enough me chatting about the setup and how the setup actually looks. Let's just get right into the footage, you guys. So you don't have to edit this stick out. I've had many people ask me, how do you edit the stick out? You don't edit the stick out. You just want everything to be in line with your camera. So just like that. So in this view, I lowered the GoPro to about the height of the trunk. It's not really ideal for me. I do like it, but if you like it, you like it, man. If this is the view you want to rock, this is the view you want to rock. It's just going to be a lot of trial and error for you guys between your car and your curves and how your car really functions and whatnot. So I do like it, but I don't really use this view. In this one, I have it mounted on the trunk again, and the height is about the height of the roof and about a foot or two back behind the trunk. It looks great, except that you can see the mount, which is why I recommend you mounting it on the glass like this one. So in here, I have it mounted to the glass. The height is about the height of the roof and about a foot or two back. The stick is fully extended, which is crazy, and it looks wobbly, but the camera and the stick does a very good job at stabilizing it. So obviously it's going to wobble a lot. A lot of people do give you crazy looks like, what the heck are you doing? But hey, man, this view is totally dope, totally game changer, and thank you to everyone that's been doing it. So you do need someone with a decent computer to do this. Yes, you can edit everything on your phone. It's good, but the quality is just not there as far as exporting it to the computer and doing it that way. So when you're ready to go, this is the GoPro player. When you're ready to edit your angles, you know, like say I want to be over here, whatever, you just drop the click. And then when you all got your stuff done, you click play. And then you kind of see what the video looks like. And then, yeah, this is how you change the angles. And no, the camera does not autofocus or auto lock on objects or cars. You have to manually go in there and edit it. And here you can see there is no stick. You don't edit the stick either. It's just as long as it's in line the camera, you're good to go. That is going to do it for today, you guys. This is the GoPro Max. This is how you get that crazy view. Yes, you can use the Insta 360. Also, it's just I'm a GoPro guy, and GoPro, you should really send me another one. So that's how you get this crazy view, you guys. Like I said, I've already done all the hard work, all the trial and error, getting everything lined up, straightened up. If you guys use the original GoPro adapter, you know that it won't work, and you'll see the stick, and that's why, is because this adapter is not centered. So that's why you need to buy another one, unfortunately, and they don't include it, unfortunately. So that's how you guys do it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Like I said, thank you to everyone that's been buying through the links. Thank you to everyone that's been blowing it up on TikTok and YouTube. I like to say I did it first. So we'll see you guys on the next one.